Welcome to Just One to Discover, where we explore the human body and uncover how it works. Get ready to learn something fascinating about anatomy today. Connective tissue is one of the four main types of tissue in the body, along with epithelial, muscle, and nervous tissue. Its primary role is to support, bind together, and protect tissues and organs in the body. Connective tissue is highly varied in structure and function, with several different types, each having specific roles. Loose connective tissue. This type is more flexible and provides a cushion and support for organs. There are three primary types of loose connective tissue. Areolar tissue is the most common form of loose connective tissue. It acts as a packing material for the body, filling spaces between tissues and organs. Found beneath the skin, subcutaneous layer, around blood vessels and nerves, and between muscles. Adipose tissue, fat, specialized for storing fat in the form of triglycerides. It serves as a key energy reserve and plays a crucial role in insulation and cushioning. Found beneath the skin, subcutaneous fat, around internal organs, visceral fat, and in bone marrow. Reticular tissue provides support and resists distortion. Found in the spleen, lymph nodes, bone marrow, and liver. Dense connective tissue, composed of tightly packed collagen fibers, providing strength and resistance to stretching. Dense connective tissue is classified into two types, regular and irregular. Dense regular connective tissue. The collagen fibers are arranged in parallel bundles, which gives the tissue great strength in one direction. It provides strong, stable connections that resist pulling forces in one direction. Example: tendons connect muscle to bone, and ligaments connect bone to bone. Dense irregular connective tissue. Collagen fibers are arranged in a non-parallel, irregular pattern. This provides strength in multiple directions, making it suitable for areas that undergo stress in various directions. Example: found in the dermis of the skin, in fibrous capsules around organs, and in the periosteum, covering of bones. Fluid connective tissue is a type of connective tissue in the body that primarily functions to transport substances, maintain homeostasis, and protect against pathogens. The two main types of fluid connective tissue are blood and lymph. Blood is a fluid connective tissue that consists of plasma, the liquid component, which is mostly water and contains proteins, hormones, electrolytes, and waste products. Formed elements. These are the cells or cell fragments within the blood, which include red blood cells, erythrocytes, carry oxygen and carbon dioxide. White blood cells, leukocytes, involved in immune response. Platelets, thrombocytes, assist in blood clotting. Blood circulates through blood vessels and plays a vital role in transportation, e.g., gases, nutrients, waste, immunity, and regulation of body temperature and pH balance. Lymph. Lymph is another fluid connective tissue that circulates through the lymphatic system. It helps remove waste and excess fluid from tissues, transport immune cells, especially lymphocytes, to help fight infections. Absorb fats from the digestive system. Both blood and lymph are essential for maintaining the body's internal environment and defending it against diseases. Supporting connective tissue. Cartilage is a firm, flexible connective tissue that provides support and cushioning. It is avascular, lacks blood vessels, and receives nutrients through diffusion from surrounding tissues. Hyaline cartilage, found in joints, the nose, and ribs. Elastic cartilage, found in structures like the ears. Fibrocartilage, found in intervertebral discs and knee joints. Bone tissue, also known as osseous tissue, is a dense, hard connective tissue that forms the structure of bones in the body. It provides support, protection, and movement, as well as a store for minerals like calcium and phosphorus. Bone tissue also plays a crucial role in blood cell production within the bone marrow. Types of bone tissue. Compact bone, dense and forms the outer layer of bones. It's structured in a way that makes it strong and able to withstand forces. Spongy bone, cancellous bone, found inside bones and at the ends of long bones. It has a porous, lattice-like structure that reduces weight but still provides support and flexibility. Common disorders of connective tissue. Osteoarthritis, a degeneration of cartilage and joints, leading to pain and stiffness. Rheumatoid arthritis, an autoimmune disorder that affects the synovial joints, causing inflammation and joint damage. Marfan syndrome, a genetic disorder that affects connective tissue, leading to long limbs, heart issues, and problems with joints. Ehlers-Danlos syndrome, a group of disorders that affect collagen and connective tissue, causing skin hyperelasticity, joint hypermobility, and fragile tissues. Scleroderma, an autoimmune disease that causes the skin and connective tissues to harden and scar. Membrane tissue refers to a thin layer of cells or extracellular material that serves as a barrier, covering or lining organs and structures within the body. Membranes play essential roles in protection, secretion, absorption, and reducing friction in various parts of the body. These tissues can have different functions depending on their location and type. There are two main types of membrane tissues: epithelial membranes. These consist of epithelial tissue and an underlying layer of connective tissue. They can be further divided into mucous membranes, line body cavities that open to the outside, such as the digestive, respiratory, and urinary tracts. They secrete mucus to keep the tissue moist and trap pathogens and debris. Serous membranes, line body cavities that are not open to the exterior, such as the thoracic and abdominal cavities. They secrete serous fluid to reduce friction between organs. Cutaneous membrane, skin. The skin, which is the body's outermost protective layer, made of epidermis, epithelial tissue, and dermis, connective tissue. Synovial membranes. These are found in joints and secrete synovial fluid, which lubricates and nourishes the joints, reducing friction between bones. Function: synovial fluid production. The synovial membrane secretes synovial fluid, which is rich in hyaluronic acid and lubricin. This fluid helps in reducing friction between articular cartilage on the ends of bones during movement, providing nutrients to the cartilage since cartilage doesn't have its own blood supply, removing waste products from the joint. Protection. The membrane helps protect the joint by maintaining a barrier against infections and mechanical damage. It also plays a role in immune response within the joint. Joint stability. The synovial membrane, through its structure and secretion of fluid, helps stabilize the joint by reducing wear and tear on the articular cartilage. Synovial membranes are vital for the proper functioning of joints, ensuring that movement is smooth and that the joints remain healthy. When the synovial membrane is inflamed, as in conditions like synovitis or rheumatoid arthritis, joint pain and stiffness can occur due to the thickening and swelling of the membrane. Thanks for watching. If you found this anatomy lesson helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more discoveries about the human body. See you in the next video.